Tommy V in Michigan. He was on fire this morning.
Okay, thank you, Tommy V in Michigan. Yes, sir. If you share my prayers.
Tommy V's on. Yeah, we'll jump over there.
Tommy V doing great stuff over there.
What's your name, sir?
Cortez, Elliot.
Calling case number 240-569-4401. People said Michigan versus Cortez. Elliot, appearances, please.
Lisa Coyle appearing on behalf of the people. Jessica Scheib on behalf of Mr. Elliot, who is home reading understands constitutional rights and stands mute.
Court a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Elliot. It looks like, I'm just making sure I read this right. There was an alleged assault. It looks like the complaining witnesses didn't want to prosecute, but in the process of detaining and or arresting Mr. Elliot, he allegedly damaged property to the scout vehicle and assaulted, resisted, obstructed the officers. Habitual fourth offense notice. All right, proceed, Mrs. Coyle.
Yes, Your Honor, that is exactly what I also read, and that there was, so we're just looking at the MVP of the police property and the resisting and obstructing on this matter. So in this matter, people note that he went ballistic basically in the backseat of the scout car, damaged both rear doors and the plastic barrier. He also broke the camera system. But what's most egregious is that he attempted and did bite the officer and he spit on her. And to me, based on his prior record, which is actually, he just got off probation in September of 23, Your Honor. He has home invasions, RCSPs, UDAs, theft offenses. But what's here is egregious, and the way after the officers are doing what they're supposed to do, especially after the allegations was that he pointed a gun at the complainants, then he went ballistic and tried to attack the officer by biting him. And so with this, Your Honor, the people, I am asking for a $20,000, 10% with the tether house arrest in this matter. I know this is non-assaultive. I know his priors are non-assaultive, but I do think there is an element of danger to the community, not only, and I'm not looking at what occurred before, but his behavior with the officers when they're doing their job, and then he attempts to fight and he spits on the officers, Your Honor, based on his whole, just coming off probation. I'm asking for that bond.
Ms. Scheib?
Your Honor, respectfully asking the court to consider a high personal bond. He has 5 kids. He's a lifelong resident of Michigan. He lives with his mother. He's a high school grad. He understands he needs to make it to all of his court dates, Your Honor. They're all allegations. He's presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. He was arrested while at home, Your Honor. So respectfully asking the court to consider a personal bond.
Does he work?
Your Honor, he believes he might have just lost his job because he's been held for a couple days.
What was his job?
Sir, where were you working?
Cleaning our house.
Thank you.
House.
Cleaning our houses, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, sir. Repeat yourself.
Cleaning out vacant house.
For whom? Who'd you work for?
I forgot. It's a company pay under the table. I forgot it.
Okay. You forgot. $20,000 personal bond, GPS tether house arrest. Probable cause May 6th, preliminary examination May 13th. Have a good day, sir.
I got a question.
I got an answer.
So,
No,
do I
sir,
gotta go
sir.
get?
Okay, well, before you say anything, just remember this is all being recorded. It's all part of the record. Go ahead and ask your question if it's about bond or your next court date.
No, I was saying, do I gotta go get the tether on my own?
No, you'll be duly instructed how to get a tether. Have a good day, sir. What's your name, sir? Mr. Lucas? In relation to Frank Lucas? All right, case number 220-448-2401. Cusses, Michigan versus Rondale Lewis. Appearances, please.
Samuel A. Ragland for the people, Your Honor.
Desk Shab on behalf of Mr. Lewis. I'm sorry, Lucas, who is formal reading, understands his constitutional rights and stands here.
For the not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Lucas, is this a capious bond or he's never been arraigned?
I have it as never been arranged.
Okay. All right, court not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Arguments of bond, Mr. Ragnar.
People are asking for $25,000 cash surety bond. He's able to post bond. We're asking
20. Hold on. What are you asking for?
$25,000 cash surety.
Okay.
GPS tether home arrest, different location. The defendant asked the woman for sex. He was visiting. She said no. He threw a pot of hit her in the head.
Mr. Ragnar. This is a 3-year-old case. Do you have any indication that the defendant and the complaining witness have been in contact with each other?
Your Honor, I have this case as April 24th, 2024. Randall Lucas? Or do I have the wrong Lucas? You said Frank. I don't know. I know who Frank Lucas is, or was.
Mr. Ragnar.
Yes.
Rondale Lucas. Frank Lucas is dead.
I know that, Your Honor. But you know what? My report, Randall, I have the same name, and I have a complaint in investigator's report, all from 424, charged with assault, charged with.
This is a 2021 case.
Well, maybe this is a more recent.
Are the charges aggravated assault?
Charges are intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder. Upon Lizzie Thompson.
That's not what I have.
No,
I don't have that either, Mr. Ragnar. I have a 2001 case.
Well, Your Honor, I don't have the information for 2001 case. All I have is
2021.
This 2024 case.
Your Honor, it's allegedly from June 21st, 2021, charged as an aggravated assault misdemeanor, up maximum penalty 1 year. We're not aware of any incidents between the parties in the years that have passed or any capious history or any encounter with the police. He's 62 years old, not on probation or parole. He is a veteran of the Army. He is trying to get treatment, Your Honor. He understands he needs to make it to all of his court dates, respectfully asking the court to consider a personal bond.
All right, given the age of the case, haven't heard the argument, $10,000 on a personal bond. There's no allegations of any contact in the past 3 years, no contact with Ms. Walker, the complaining witness. Pre-trial, June 24th, in front of Judge Bryant. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Man.
What's your name, sir?
Brian Mims.
Calling case number 240-569-4101. People City, Michigan versus Bryant Mims. Appearances, please.
Generally Ragnar for the people, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Mr. Mims does not want counsel. We are here. We are available. We will tell him again, Mr. Mims, our office does advise that you should be represented by counsel. We're court appointed. It's your right to have an attorney, and if you can't afford one, will be appointed to you. But Your Honor, we were unable to interview him because he didn't want us to represent him.
Is that true? You want to represent yourself? You do not want a court-appointed attorney. Is that true, sir? Yes or no?
Y'all don't listen to my side of the story. And y'all take her side of the story, then I don't want to talk.
Okay, that's your prerogative. Mr. Mims. Mr. Mims. That's your prerogative. Okay. Hold on. Mr. Ragnar, your argument as to bond.
Your Honor,
I don't even know what none of this means. I ain't never been locked up before.
Your Honor, we're going to ask for a $15,000 cash surety bond. If it's able to post bond, we're asking for GPS tether with home arrest.
Hey.
Significant injuries. Significant injuries in this matter. He broke, allegedly.
Complaining witness is his sister. Complaining witness is his sister,
Go ahead
correct?
and lie, bro. I want you to lie. Because I didn't touch her. All I did was smash some tires and put the knife in the dirt. Because I told her to leave it.
Go ahead, Mr. Ragnar.
Well, Your Honor, he threw off a porch, allegedly. He grabbed a knife, went after her. He slashed 4 tires in her vehicle, broke her cell phone, broke the alarm system.
Right, I got that.
But the thing is that she ended up with injuries that, and the police, she had a left hand was swollen, a large laceration on her back, minor injuries to her face. She was covered in dirt, light swelling and small cut under her right eye. Significant injuries, Your Honor. We're asking for the cash bond, $15,000, cash surety, GPS tip.
Ms. Scheid?
Your Honor, we're here.
Okay, Ms. Scheid. I
Yes.
lost. Oh, my goodness. Woo! Ms. Scheid, I know you're not officially representing him, but is there anything you want to add on behalf of Mr. Mims?
So, Your Honor, we were unable to interview him, so I can't make a bond argument for him, but I do just like to remind the court, as the court knows, they're all allegations, and we weren't able to get any information from him, so I can't provide the court with any information. I would just advise Mr.
You can get the
Mims to not
information
say
right now. You can get the information right now. You can give him information right now.
Mr. Mims, I'm going to ask you, Mr. Mims, I'm going to ask you some questions. You are presumed innocent and you claim you're innocent. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm innocent.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing to harm my sister. All I did was tell her to leave the premises. I'm giving you my
Man, sir, I understand. Do you have an alternative place to stay?
That is my house. She coming from Arizona. How many days it been since I've been here? I don't even know. About 4 or 5 days. She came the day before that and tried to fuck up my little thing that I had going on with the house.
Watch your language.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Your lady's present.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Ladies, not one lady, well, ladies.
Oh, ladies. Okay, ladies. Okay.
Ladies, yes. All right. Is your sister back in Arizona?
No.
Where is she?
Here in Detroit. Here in Detroit.
Where is she staying? Where is she staying?
Your Honor, I have no idea. What I know is I'm going to give you the best information I know. She's coming from Arizona. The house is both of ours. But her thing is when she get in there, she's trying to move her baby daddy in the house too, because they got a little CPS case. Don't come rain on my parade because you got a CPS case. That's my whole thing. I'm a whole truck driver. I mind my own business. And I told her, all you gotta do is leave the premises, sis. All you gotta do is leave the premises. So she thought it was funny. And it made me mad, and I went berserk. That's all happened. I left her alone. I didn't injure her. I did nothing to her. All I did was slash some tires. All I did was slash some tires.
Okay. I've heard your story, Mr. Mims. I'm going to give you a $50,000 personal bond. No GPS tether. You're not to have any contact with Ashley Thomas.
Oh, she better get I want a PPO then. She better come to my house.
When I talk, you listen. I let you talk, correct? And you can lose some foul language in front of some ladies. Is that correct? And you apologize to the ladies, right?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, now's your time to remain quiet.
Yeah, I mean, I had one point.
No, Mr. Mims, I'm gonna put you in timeout. You keep talking. I'm not talking no more. Okay, well, listen. No, Mr. Ragnar.
Okay.
$50,000 personal bond. While this case is pending, you're not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. You no contact with Ashley Thomas, your sister. No contact means just that. No contact is what I just say.
But you're just leaving it to her. Why you don't say that about her?
All right, we'll put him in timeout for a minute.
Yeah, in fact, I just mentioned something very concerning.
Yes, Mr. Ragnar.
My big concern is for her safety and well-being. I know it's yours as well, but he is a very angry person and was very angry when the police even arrested him. So I'm concerned about not having a tether because he said, get her out of my house. And
well, Mr. Ragnar, this is my dilemma.
We're just having a conversation, Judge. We're
not. You were talking. We weren't conversing, and I was listening.
All right.
There's a difference. You asked to speak. I let you speak.
Thank you.
You were talking. I was listening.
Okay.
But since you bring up a point, Mr. Ragnar, this is my issue. It's their mother's house, and it apparently looks from this court's appearance that they both have rights to the house.
They very well may. I agree.
And so how can I prohibit him or her if they have legally access to the house? Now, what I'm inclined to do, he doesn't know where she is. He can only go back to the Montrose address if the victim isn't there.
What if she goes to the grocery store?
Does he live at the grocery store?
No, but my point is, we have many times, as you have, Your Honor, sent people from domestic violence cases, they couldn't go back to the house while the matter was pending. I'm just asking the court to consider that he shouldn't go back to the house until they get the matter pending, because nothing's going to be done with the house until that's resolved anyhow. At least I believe so.
So you suggest he goes somewhere else?
No, he doesn't live in that house, I don't think, does he? Ms. Scheid, do you know?
He just stated he did.
Well, they're two different addresses, Your Honor.
Well, I get your point. Is there anything you want to add?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
But no, nothing further.
You hesitated.
No, nothing further.
Oh, speak your mind, Mr. Ragnar. Nothing stopped you all day.
I just really believe an assaultive matter that a person doesn't go back to that location while the matter is pending. And I think that he should find another place to stay while the matter is pending. And who owns it is a different story, Your Honor. It's not to be adjudicated with this court or any, without probate court.
Mr. Mims, you finished braiding your hair?
Yeah, I had to braid it in here.
Okay, I can tell. All right, we're gonna start all over. Interrupt me again, we'll put your time out again, okay?
Yes, sir.
$50,000 personal bond. While this case is pending, you're not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. No contact with your sister means just that. No contact. No phone calls, text messages, emails, handwritten letters, or notes, or through social media. You're not to go to the Montrose address do not enter if the victim is there. So if she's there, you have to find another place. If she isn't there, you're free to go into the location. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Honor. You about to make me cry, bro.
I don't make grown men cry. You'll be the first. Probable cause May 7th. Preliminary examination May 14th. In front of Judge Jefferson. Mr. Mims, any last words?
Tell that nigga to stop, bro.
All right, remove Mr. Mims. Have a good day. No more foul language from him today.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Now you shut your bitch ass. All right, let's see, nigga. You fucking up my fucking interview.
So that's what you want.
You gonna see me, nigga. You gonna see me, dog. You gonna see me, dog. What? You gonna dumbass. You gonna see me, bro. You playing with the right one, nigga. I'm telling my people. Bro, you gonna see me, dog. I'm telling Judge, bro. Really stupid. Shut the fuck up when I'm on the interview. I'm trying to see you, nigga. I'm not with this shit up. I'm not gonna sit in no car. I just got out for 3 years. Man, so what did that got to do with?
All right, let's start on the female side. Although we got one more male. What's your name, ma'am? What's your name, ma'am? Ma'am, what is your name?
Josephine.
Calling case number 240-569-4001. People State, Michigan versus Josephine Bryant. Appearances, please.
Lisa Coyle appearing on behalf of the people.
Jessica Sharp on behalf of Ms. Bryant, who has full reading understands her constitutional rights and stands here.